These cycling POV videos are pulling insane numbers right now. This Instagram account has gained over 2.2 million followers and is pulling in hundreds of thousands of views per video, and their videos have hit 24 and 8 million views. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make them yourself. Here's what I made in less than 2 minutes. So to get started, head over to ChatGPT and click Explore GPTs. Search for Cycling POV Generator and click on it. Hit Start Chat, then click to start the generator. It's going to give you 10 different scenes to choose from. You can pick a number or say more if you want more options. I'm going to go with number 5. The GPT will now give you a detailed image prompt and a video prompt to create your video. Just copy the image prompt and head over to Google Flow. The link's in the description. In Google Flow, click on New Project, click on Model and set the output to 9:6, then choose how many images you want, paste your prompt in the prompt box, and hit Generate. Here's what my images look like. It honestly looks like someone was out there writing it. So now click on Nano Banana, click on Video, then select Ingredients, then select one video per generation. Make sure the video model is 3.1 fast. Now go back to the GPT and copy the video prompt. Paste it into the box. After that, click the plus icon to select your image and hit Generate. And that's all it takes. Here are some other videos I made using this method. So that's the full workflow. All the links you need are in the description. If you want to see what other viral AI nushes I found, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out.